So is your sliding door jamming? Let's fix it. First, to remove the door. This may require 2 people if the door is very big or heavy. Lift the door upwards and then tilt the bottom out towards yourself. Rest the bottom of the door on some wood or old carpet so you don't damage the floor or the door. Now upright the door. Turn the door 90 degrees and lay it on its side. Remove the lower retaining screw from the side frame. Remove the 2 small screws holding the roller carriage. You may need a flat-headed screwdriver to slightly prise apart the bottom frame when removing the roller unit. Here is the damaged roller unit alongside a new one. You can clearly see the roller has buckled. Slide in the new roller unit. Place back the lower screw retaining the side frame. Secure the roller unit with the 2 self-tapping screws. Lift the door upright and place it back in the upper rail. Whilst holding the door against the upper rail, swing the lower part of the door over the bottom rail runner and let it rest. A quick test and the door lifts to slide and glide for another day. If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.